What's going on, guys? My name is Maximus and you're watching the King Builds YouTube channel. So today we're doing something pretty epic. We're getting this remote control truck behind me and we're going to make tires for it that are made 100% out of ice. I mean, besides the rim, so maybe 50%. Anyways, we're making ice tires. This is going to be epic. If you're excited about it like I am, stick around, enjoy the video. It's going to be awesome. Alright guys, here's the RC truck. It's a beast. So what we're gonna do to start is we're going to 3D print a rim, and then we're gonna kind of make like a cup around it. We're gonna fill it up with water and freeze it. So we're gonna start by actually 3D printing. So I'm gonna set this aside. We're gonna grab the 3D printer, start 3D printing.
It's gonna be pretty epic.
Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and do some 3D printing. It's gonna take about 24 hours of printing probably.
For one tire.
All right. Alright guys, so the 3D print is done. It's been about 10 hours. There we go. I want to take a look at that. Alright, there we go. That's about as high as I'm gonna go. I'll make sure it's centered and we'll stick it in the freezer. Give it about 24 hours and we'll see what it looks like. Oh yeah. There it is. All right. Woo! That's cold. Boom. All right, so let's get this thing on here. Oh my gosh, guys, look at that. We have got a tire on the RC truck. And look, if I spin, which tire? This tire. See it spinning? This is gonna be so cool. Ah, I'm melting away. All right, guys, so now we know the tire's actually going to fit on the truck. Not sure if it's gonna work, but it's gonna fit. So now what we're gonna do is 3D print another one, so we at least have two and we can drive it with both, and it'll probably do some drifting and cool stuff. So we're gonna print another one, another one, another one, another one. There's two. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these tires on really quickly. I'm trying to talk quick because these are melting fast. I'm gonna put them on the truck, we'll take it outside, and we'll see what happens. Well, that went pretty quick. There's a piece of ice. Here's a chunk of ice. Here's another piece of ice. Alright guys, so the question is, can you drive an RC truck or car on tires made out of ice? Well, the answer is yes, you can, but they don't last very long, which is fine. At least we know you can actually drive them on ice. Look at this one, it's already dripping everywhere. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram and TikTok at KB_KingBuilds. At the end of the video, I'll put it up on the screen. And I'll catch you in the next one.